This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, latkes. Potato latkes. Where do I begin to tell the story of how great a food can be? Latkes or latkes through the years have sparked some controversy, and more than one beginning with the pronunciation. Do you say latka or latke? During Hanukkah, the festival of lights, Jewish people eat a lot of food cooked in oil, one of the most delicious being latkes. We eat food cooked in oil because of the miracle of the oil lasting 8 crazy nights when there was only enough for one night. You have probably heard me say before, the way to sum up any Jewish holiday is we fought, we won, let's eat. Latkes are not, I repeat, are not hash browns. That might be considered the second controversy. The third would be, how do you eat your latkes? With sour cream or applesauce? I'm team both. The fourth controversy is how we make them. Well, most of my generation grew up with the hand-shredded method. I make them with the help of modern technology and avoid adding my blood and skin to the mix. I use a latke mix or potato starch. I think my momster used matzo meal or flour, whatever she had. And measuring? No! You grate, shred, mix by hand. And when the spirits of your ancestors tell you that it's good to go, you heat up that oil and you fry those latkes up. This is my recipe, and my family will tell you mine are the best. And this year, they were the best they've ever been. The only difference? 4 tablespoons of twice stolen spice. Let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic.
It's nice being Jewish.
Oh man, that's great. Super crispy. This is hitting the spot. Alright, last bite. Thank you. I'm telling you, that is the best. Happy Hanukkah.
Let's eat!